Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of unique wooden art ideas, specifically focusing on nature-inspired sculptures. If you love the beauty of the outdoors and want to bring that inspiration into your home, you're in the right place. We'll explore a variety of creative projects, from intricate animal carvings to stunning abstract designs, all crafted from wood. Here are some unique wooden art ideas for nature-inspired sculptures that can beautifully enhance your space. 1. Tree of Life Sculpture. Create a detailed sculpture representing the tree of life, with intricate branches and leaves carved from wood. Use different wood tones to symbolize growth and diversity. 2. Animal Silhouettes. Craft silhouettes of various animals, such as birds, deer, or fish, mounted on wood bases. These can be painted or left in their natural wood finish to showcase their beauty. 3. Wooden Flowers. Design three-dimensional wooden flowers using layered wood pieces. Paint them in vibrant colors or leave them natural for a rustic touch. 4. Mountain Range Art. Create a layered sculpture of a mountain range, using different shades of wood to represent elevation and texture. This piece can be wall-mounted or freestanding. 5. Abstract Wave Form. Construct an abstract sculpture that mimics the shape of ocean waves. Use curved wood pieces to create a flowing design, reflecting the movement of water. 6. Birdhouse Sculpture. Design a whimsical birdhouse that doubles as a sculpture. Incorporate natural elements, such as twigs and leaves, into the design for added texture and realism. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, these ideas will spark your creativity and help you connect with nature through art. Let's get started. Point 7. Wooden Insect Art. Craft life-sized or stylized sculptures of insects, such as butterflies or dragonflies, using thin wood layers to create intricate details and patterns. 8. Cascading Waterfall. Create a sculpture that represents Cascading Waterfall. Create a sculpture that represents a waterfall, using layered wood pieces to simulate flowing water. Combine different wood finishes to enhance the effect. 9. Sun and Moon. Design a dual sculpture featuring the sun and moon, incorporating textures and colors that represent day and night, symbolizing balance in nature. 10. Nature Scene Diorama. Build a diorama that captures a small nature scene, including trees, animals, and a landscape, all crafted from wood. This can be a tabletop piece or wall-mounted. 11. Wooden Totem Poles. Create a series of small totem poles that represent different animals or natural elements. Each pole can tell a story or symbolize personal values. 12. Leaf Imprints. Make sculptures using wood slices and carve or burn leaf imprints into the surface. These can be displayed as individual pieces or in a collective arrangement. 13. Wooden Driftwood Art. Gather pieces of driftwood and assemble them into a sculpture that reflects the beauty of the ocean. Add shells or stones for additional natural elements. 14. Forest Canopy. Design a sculpture that represents a forest canopy, using layered wood to mimic the look of leaves and branches overhead. Incorporate light elements for added effect. 15. Fossil-Inspired Art. Create a sculpture that mimics the look of fossils, using carved wood to represent ancient life forms. This can be both an artistic and educational piece. These nature-inspired wooden sculptures can add a touch of the outdoors to your home while showcasing your creativity and craftsmanship. Here are some additional unique wooden art ideas for nature-inspired sculptures. 16. Wooden Coral Reef. Create a colorful representation of a coral reef using various shapes and sizes of wood pieces. Use paint or natural dyes to mimic the vibrant colors of coral. 17. Windy Tree Sculpture. Craft a tree sculpture with twisted branches and leaves, capturing the essence of wind. Use flexible wood strips to create dine. Wooden water lilies. Design a series of water lilies floating on a wooden pond. Use layered wood pieces to create the flowers and leaves, adding a reflective surface beneath them. 19. Animal totems. Carve small, totem-like sculptures representing different animals, stacked vertically. Each animal can symbolize different traits or qualities. 20. Abstract nature forms. Create abstract sculptures inspired by natural forms, such as waves, mountains, or clouds, using flowing lines and curves to represent movement. 21. Wooden harvest basket. Design a sculpture resembling a harvest basket filled with wooden fruits and vegetables. Use different wood types to represent various produce. 22. Mushroom grove. Craft a whimsical mushroom grove, using different sizes and colors of wood to create a charming scene reminiscent of a forest floor. 23. Wooden sunflower. Construct a large, three-dimensional sunflower using layered wood pieces for petals and a textured center. This can be mounted on a wall or displayed on a stand. 24. Nature-inspired wind chime. Create a wooden wind chime using natural wood pieces shaped like leaves or animals. The gentle sound can enhance outdoor spaces. 25. Wooden fish sculpture. Design a sculpture of a fish leaping out of the water, using curved wood pieces to simulate movement and texture. This can be a striking tabletop piece. 26. Abstract feather sculpture. Craft a large feather sculpture using layered wood, capturing the delicate structure and beauty of feathers found in nature. 27. Wooden biomes. Create small dioramas representing different biomes, such as desert, rainforest, or tundra, using various wood types and textures to depict flora and fauna. 28. Nature's embrace. Design a sculpture that represents the interconnectedness of nature, using intertwined wood pieces to symbolize harmony and balance. Wooden koi fish pond. Construct a shallow wooden pond with koi fish sculptures swimming beneath the surface. Use a reflective finish for the water to create an immersive effect. 30. Mountain wildlife scene. Create a diorama featuring mountain animals like bears, deer, or eagles. Use wooden cutouts to build a layered landscape that tells a story. 31. Wooden honeycomb. Design a honeycomb-inspired sculpture using hexagonal wooden pieces. Incorporate small bees or flowers to enhance the theme of nature. 32. Seasonal tree sculpture. Build a tree sculpture that changes with the seasons, using detachable leaves or flowers to represent spring blooms, summer greens, autumn colors, and winter bare branches. 33. Abstract landscape relief. Create a wall-mounted relief sculpture depicting a serene landscape, using layers of wood to create depth and texture in hills, valleys, and skies. 34. Wooden butterfly garden. Design a sculpture featuring butterflies fluttering among flowers. Use vibrant colors and layers to bring the garden to life. 35. Nature's spiral. Craft a spiral sculpture that represents the growth patterns found in nature, such as shells or flowers. Use smooth curves and a variety of wood tones for visual interest. These ideas can inspire you to create stunning and meaningful wooden sculptures that celebrate the beauty of nature. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey into nature-inspired wooden sculptures. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to bring your artistic vision to life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more unique art ideas and projects. Remember, the beauty of nature is all around us, let's celebrate it through our creativity. Happy crafting, and we can't wait to see what you create.